Bunda gukuruhanio mutinoini barabara-ini nene ya mutarakwa guthii mahiu. Munini wa komanda wa borithi umwena wari murumio Paul yatol awitete ndereba wa ngari iyo uria ni arakana uria urahonokire ciarera aramukira urigiti thibitari-ini wa Tigoni akirorwo ni maafitha a borithi.
Ndereba umwe uria ahonokete ciarera thutha wa ngari iria anatwaraga muthemba wa probox na iria irakuite nyama cia Bunda gukuruhana mutinoini wa bara ya mutarakwa guthii mahiu umuthi ni aramukira urigitani thibitari-ini wa Tigoni aikaritio ni afitha a borithi.
During the wee hours of the morning, we had a self-involved accident along Mahiu Mutarakwa Nairobi highway involving motor vehicle KBK 835U Mac probox, white in color. It was traveling towards Nairobi. Ikapata ajali, self-involved accident where it rolled over the road. Na ika injure one occupant ambaye we suspect to be the driver, who is now hospitalized in Tigoni Hospital, being guarded, pending investigation. Finally, it will be arraigned before court for fairing suspected uninspected meat, which is highly suspected to be a dung meat.
Maderi ono adena dosi ya kwani ndakora accident haha arenda uka ukimenya accident yo yuma ya muthemba uriku niguo ndakora ni probox iguite na igakorwo ina Bunda thiini wacio ciekitwo makunia ni oneke iguite ri takurania ngari ikoretwo igisafiriza nyama guku niguo no niyo yagituma kimenyeke bado uthiji wa digiri uri okuo ciria digiri ciathire guthijwo kuma hindi cia hithukirwo na guku ndia riu tuciageria itithejagwo riu nitwakiona bado biashara iri okuo bado.
Ni wa komanda wa borithi wa Limuru Paul yoigite ni marathie na mbere kuhitana na andu aria marabarithia biashara iyo ngananie ya wendia wa Bunda miena ya Ndeia, Limuru na mahiu kuria enyitete thinga.
This exercise of fairing or slaughtering donkeys has been rampant within areas of Mahiu, Ndeia and Kikuyu sub-counties. Now, police are on very high alert always during patrols during the night, and we are following them on a serious note, and we have been arresting them, and we have several cases pending before court in relation to this meat which is unsuspected and suspected to be highly dung meat.
Tari agicigo kiu nao muigite minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki ndangireheririe mikigo ya bara kuona kinae ni mekugerereka muno. Ini ha Muthingi TV yakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiko.
Nĩ ngatho Wambui wa Wanjiko nĩ tondu wa riboti iyo njega na riu tukihiuka nginya kaunti